Well, we may as well just stop there for a minute, because we have a video that was sent in by a viewer, I think, that we're going to be showing. He's going to incorporate a lot of the things that are applicable to VE Day. So let's watch this video.
Lovely.
Hello, brightness, my old friend. Please come and talk with us again, because a vision we were seeking left its mark while we were sleeping, and the vision that was planted in our brains had remained. No more the sound of sirens in streets of unexploded bombs, as all the lights were switched back on. We rejoiced together with our friends for what we thought would never ever end, when our eyes were lit by the gift of true liberty for you and me. No more the sound of sirens after the royal call to prayer. We beat their squadrons in the air. We overwhelmed them with our firepower. It was declared to be our finest hour, as we knelt together fighting this tyranny for liberty. No more the sound of sirens, and in the light of what we saw, 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without fearing, people hearing without grieving, people singing songs that everybody shared and hardly dared to hear the sound of sirens. Fools, they said we did not know we'd forever beat their foe, but the hope that was in all of us was a hope that was so marvelous, and the hope that was within us still remains through all our days. No more the sound of sirens, and in the naked light we see, on the brink of World War III, people hearing without listening, people talking without speaking, people writing songs that voices never share. Now no one dares disturb the sound of silence.
Absolutely amazing. I've got to say a big thank you to Jude Meritus, because he, as an 81-year-old, a retired journalist who put that together. That is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. What do you think?
Yeah. Oh, very moving. I was listening to it and think, oh, I don't remember those lyrics, in The Sound of Silence.
Very clever.
Absolute genius. Genius. Well done.
Yeah.
A parody.
Absolutely amazing. It's amazing choice of words, a judicious choice of words, and it really reflects not just what happened, but what is happening now as well. Hats off to Jude Emeritus.
Yeah.
Emeritus by name and emeritus by nature.
Amazing.
I would actually go as far as say, you know, we could do with more like that, please, you know, because it's so applicable to today. I like the way he changed it with the sounds of sirens.
Yeah.
Then at the end, it's because of the sound of silence.
Because we're being
you know.
gagged.
Yeah.
We are, you know, being silenced,
Yeah.
no doubt about it, being cancelled.
Yeah.
Censored.
I mean, all the metaphors, but also all of the graphics were so clear.
Yeah.
I don't know if, Jude, you actually edited the program as well or whatever, but it's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant.